Okay, we're on the Needles Highway. I started a little while ago, but I forgot to hit record. So we're gonna go through the tunnel here, but you can see on the left there is a stormtrooper. See if we get him in there a little bit better. And then we're gonna shoot through the tunnel. It looks like people are just filing through the tunnel instead of waiting and taking their turn. There were just 5 cars came through without anybody stopping to let anybody else through. So, see what happens, see if we get to go or not. There's another one just decided to come through. And that guy, luckily today's not too bad. The other day was close to 100. And I bet he's still got to be hot.
No, I am not hot. No tipping. Thank you.
No tip? Oh yeah, really?
I am not hot.
Huh.
I'm quite comfortable.
Cool.
In my armor. No, I am not hot.
Yeah, I don't know about taking a dolly through here. Nah, it's definitely no.
It's a hard no.
It's a hard no. And as we're going on this road, we'll be getting closer to Mount Rushmore, and you'll start seeing it getting bigger and bigger. Sometimes you really have to pay attention as to where it's at. It'll be just a little cut in the trees, and then you'll see Mount Rushmore. Okay, when I was saying about Mount Rushmore, I'm on the wrong road. That was Iron Mountain or something like that. So we'll probably be hitting that. So we'll get a video of that also when we do it. All right, we decided to stop here just to get some pictures in. Quick video. Okay, those peaks straight out, that's the cathedral spirals. We was here in 2016. We hiked out there doing the hiking challenge. And it's a pretty easy trail, wasn't bad. Very beautiful. Okay, that was the Needles Highway. So on to the next adventure.